Start.
Some characteristics of the root first we will understand. First of all, roots are cylindrical. Then as we say, they are positively geotropic because they are growing towards the gravity. Then they are positively hydrotropic because they go deep inside the soil in search of water. And we say they are negatively phototropic because they grow away from the sunlight. Now as I said, let us study the different parts of the root. First is the root cap. This is called as the region of root cap. The apex of the root is a very delicate portion, and that's why it is protected by a cap-like multicellular structure which is called as a root cap or root pocket in some plants. Its function is to secrete a mucilage, a lubricant which will allow the easy passage of the root deep into the soil. The second region, as we can see, it is the region of cell division. These are made up of meristematic tissues. As you must have studied in earlier standards, meristematic tissue have the power to divide. So this is the region where new additional cells are added to the root. Then we have the third part, it is called as region of elongation. This region will help to expand the root further, or means increase its length. Here the cells elongate very rapidly. Then we have the region of root hair. As you can see in the figure, this region has many hair-like structures called as root hair, and they have a lifespan of only 10 to 15 days. That means after every few days, new root hairs are produced. Their basic function is to absorb the water, and they provide a greater surface area so that water absorption can be maximum. And the last region is the region of maturation. Region of maturation means here the cells will differentiate to form different tissues of the typical root, like you have cortex or you have xylem phloem. Etc. So here their main function is absorption of water and absorption of minerals, and then conducting them up to the base of the stem.